geography has played a very important role. Last year भी मेरे 270 marks थे, and this year also I've scored 273. So it has remained consistent for me. For Educhemy and Shabir sir and Dimple ma'am, I am an electronics engineer. Geography का मुझे कोई knowledge and background नहीं थी, but मेरा foundation मैंने यहाँ से किया था. Tests मैंने लिखे हैं कहीं और के भी, but the foundation has been from here, and I think जो summary sheets हम बनाते हैं, you guys also, so that has been something जो कि मेरे peers से भी I had exchanged, and वो अभी तक मेरे पास है. That has been something जो मैंने दोनों मेंस में बहुत ही प्यार से बार-बार पढ़े हैं. That has helped me.
एडुकेमी के 14 टेस्ट सीरीज लिखे थे और ठीक ठाक नंबर आते थे, तो जेन्युइनली मुझे लगा कि एडुकेमी हैज हेल्प मी बिकॉज दिस वाज माय थर्ड अटेम्प्ट, सेकंड मेंस. व्हेन आई रोट माय मेंस लास्ट टाइम आई गॉट 228 एंड दिस ईयर आई गॉट 295. तो मतलब 67 नंबर का जो इंक्रीमेंट है वो मुझे लगा टेस्ट सीरीज से आया है मतलब. और बाकी सब तो कोचिंग मटेरियल्स कमोबेश सेम ही होते हैं, बट एडुकेमी का जो हैंड रिटन नोट्स होता है वो सबसे ज्यादा मुझे हेल्प किया.
I joined after doing my foundational course from another institute. So in MSP, I came to learn about how to write answers, how to think of the subtopics, like now how I am thinking. So that part I developed from the MSP also. Like you gave us a question and you gave some time to us to think about it, and how we can think, how we can link our whatever we learned that is in our mind, and how we can link that into the answer. So how to answer the question, I think I learned that from you. And like some questions are also direct from MSP this time, like the critical minerals questions that you have done in your MSP classes. You have done the India map and shown which critical minerals is found in which part and what are the potentials. That also in transport part also, this terms like this transport is a subject which is very non-geographical topic. So there also as far as I remember, the terms like massification, atomization, all I learned from the MSP class, and they are new for me, and I have implemented these in my answers.
How did Educhemy help you? And you can be very honest here. Okay,
yes.
I am on the camera. Okay,
yes.
And I have not told her anything what she might say.
I actually मैंने आपसे मतलब पूरा फाउंडेशन कोर्स भी आपके अंडर मैंने पढ़ा है, and I also took enrichment classes twice or thrice I think, and I have been taking test series continuously in my last 3 or 4 attempts. तो मैं बोलूँगी कि मतलब एडुकेमी एक्चुअली मतलब शबीर सर एक्चुअली ही क्रिएटेड द एंटायर बेस फॉर मी, और उन्होंने पूरा देखा है कि हाउ आई प्रोग्रेस बिट बाय बिट. आई वुड से दैट मतलब मुझे ज्योग्राफी के बारे में कोई आइडिया नहीं था, तो इट इज़ ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ शबीर सर. आई वुड से मुझे बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं ज्योग्राफी के बारे में.
Fine, she said more than I would have deserved.
Sir, in fact, I would say I had learned geography from you as a teacher only, and the essence of the subject is something that we have to grasp, and that it develops over a period of time. And I have listened to your enrichment classes, to your other map and classes as well, and discussion classes. So there are certain statements that a teacher makes, and we are not always able to realize those statements, but sometimes when we are reading that subject again, it kind of strikes you. So there are a lot of things that I have learned, and not just geography, in life in general. So I would say I'm grateful to you as a teacher, and later on Educhemy as an institution that has provided a lot of insights.
How did you hear about us? What was the source of information? How did you decide on that you should join our course?
Sir, when I was analyzing, when I was deciding कि geography option रखना है, तो मैंने प्रथम कौशिक सर का blog पढ़ा था, and in that he mentioned about your classes. So after reading it, I did not decide कि करना ही करना है. So then again I analyzed कि कौन कौन से अच्छे ऑप्शनल फाउंडेशन कोर्स हैं. तो मुझे फॉर्मेट अच्छा लगा कि फाउंडेशन भी हो रहा था, एनरिचमेंट भी हो रहा था, टेस्ट सीरीज भी हो रहा था इवन बिफोर द प्रीलिम्स, इसलिए मैंने ये ज्वाइन कर लिया.
Okay, so this year I joined MSP program wherein it really streamlined my preparation, because उस 3 महीने में it is very difficult to cover the syllabus effectively if there is no set timetable or accountability. So I feel that Shabir sir's video were really helpful in a way that the days were scheduled. Say a topic of transportation needs to be completed in 2 days, and sir provided an introductory video that this is the syllabus topic, these are the trends of the questions that are being asked, and these are the current affairs topics that are in news. So it in a way funneled down, or it provided a focus that you need to provide this much amount of time for these many topics, and the current linkages was really strong. I believe in paper 2 especially, there was few questions who were directly asked, say foreign trade policy, or I think there was conflict or climate change related some questions.
Okay.
So I believe that content was really helpful. And another really helpful thing was the answers that you shared.
Okay.
I
The
think
model
sir on-
answers we are
Yeah.
providing to the students.
Yeah. So sir in one of the class said that this is the first time we are doing this, that we are sending you the topper written answers, the PYQs before the class. So some questions were discussed in the class and some were provided with the handwritten one. What I find useful was, since the question is written, so I used to frame the answers myself and then I used to compare it to the topper's copy or whatever handwritten copies that the answers that you provided. So it gave me the gap that needs to be filled in the answers, because I knew the content, but I did not knew the interlinkages between these two topics. Say there was a topic of Manipur conflict, so that can be used in many things, say in internal security or in women related issue or in hill area development. So what I find useful was that one topic I could use in various things. So I think interlinkages became really useful. And another thing was that you shared, I think, Preksha Agarwal ma'am's copies. Last year, she secured rank 30.
Right,
So
right.
her copies were really, really helpful, especially in paper 1. And that's why I've gotten the score of 177.